Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and on today's episode of Will It Fit, we've got a 2018 Toyota 4Runner with a 3-inch lift, some 18x9 wheels with a positive 1mm offset, and some 33 1250 R18 RT tires. Now, in order to make them fit, one, you have plenty of clearance in between the upper control arm and the tire. You've got about 3/4 of an inch of room before it rubs, so do not worry about the width of the tire touching the upper control arm. Besides that, we had to take off the mud flaps and trim a little bit of the plastic of the inner fender on the rear of the fender. And then on the front, we just had to trim a little bit of the front bumper at this bottom section right here. And then we had to trim a little bit of the valance on the inner fender. Besides that, it fits just fine, and there's not too much to do to it. I personally would rather have this look than a negative 12mm offset, because what that will do, or a positive 12mm offset, because it will do nothing but push the wheel more into the inside of the wheel well, and what's currently hip and cool is having the wheels sticking further out. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, fender flares, running boards, anything like that, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking at this 4Runner and saying, Michael, I love the 4Runner, I love the white with the vectors and the RT tires and the integrated LED light bar that you mounted on inside of the grill, I just wish I could buy that one. Rather than going to the dealer, picking out a 4Runner, bringing it to you, having you lift it and going through all that, I just wish I could do it all in one. Luckily for you, we're gonna start posting the vehicles that we've built for our dealers on our website. So the vehicles that are currently for sale on dealers' lots will be posted on our website at central-alps.com on the inventory page. And the idea is that you can go to the inventory page, you can pick out the exact vehicle that you want, call up the dealer and say, hey, I'm coming to pick this up, I'm coming to buy this today, and you could get in your new lifted Central Alps vehicle today. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.